Let's jump right into setting up your first Stripe invoice so you can get paid by your customers quickly and securely. First, open your web browser, log into your Stripe account, and look at your main Stripe dashboard screen. Navigate to the top right corner or the primary navigation menu and select Create Invoice from the Create menu options. Once the new invoice window opens, your very first step is to identify who you are billing. Go ahead and add the customer's email address or search for a saved customer record if you have billed them before. This tells Stripe exactly where to deliver the secure payment link. Next, you need to add the item or service you are charging for. Move your cursor down to the Items section and click to add a service or product. Type in the name of the product, set the specific price, and enter the correct quantity. This is also where you manage any specific tax settings you need to apply to the charge, which ensures your financial records stay accurate and compliant. Now, look further down the screen to specify how you want to request payment. You need to set the payment request date or the exact due date for the invoice. Crucially, make sure you include online payment delivery. This is the mechanism that ensures the customer gets a clickable payment link right inside their inbox. Before finalizing anything, take a moment to carefully review the entire invoice layout to ensure the totals, email addresses, and descriptions are perfectly correct. Stripe keeps a draft invoice completely editable until you choose to finalize it. This means you can change any mistakes now, but after you finalize it, the details are locked in. Once you are completely satisfied with the details, click Send Invoice in the top right corner. Once the customer opens the invoice email or the custom payment page, they can pay online securely using a card or bank transfer, and Stripe tracks the invoice status automatically for you in real time. Now, there is an important detail to keep in mind regarding your accounting workflow. You can also manually mark invoices as paid outside of Stripe if your customer happens to settle the bill using cash, a physical check, or another manual method. Doing this keeps your business records beautifully organized in one central dashboard. Additionally, for one-time payments, Stripe supports invoicing directly rather than using a standard checkout page, which is perfect if you absolutely want a formal invoice permanently attached to the specific charge.